Alright, so if you're planning on buying yourself a dashcam or you're just casually scrolling through to see which one is the best one, this is the actual list which you should be checking out. In this video, I'll compile you a list of the top dash cameras that's available in the Indian market which get dual Starvis 2 sensors. Yes, why get a single Starvis 2 when you can get the goodness of getting two of them? So if you've been following my channel, if you've been watching my videos, you would know how much I stress on getting dash cams that are based on Starvis 2 sensor. Starvis 2 creates simple magic. It provides exceptional low light performance and a good dynamic range even under low light conditions that enhances your video quality and more specifically gives you a good number plate readability during night. So if you are someone who doesn't want to compromise on the kind of video quality your dashcam captures, this is the video which you should check out, and this is the list from which you should select your next dash camera. So if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. You're watching Travel Tech, let's get started. So starting off the list with the cheapest option, the cheapest dual channel dashcam currently available. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Plus 2 channel or the dual channel variant, currently available at a price of about 25 to 26,000 rupees. This camera offers you a lot of dual features, starting with the Dual Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. It offers you dual HDR, offers you a dual quad HD setup. Basically means you can shoot both front and the rear video in quad HD 1440p resolution. This camera also supports voice commands, gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, gets 24-hour parking monitoring, which is based on buffered parking mode, auto event detection, and even time-lapse recording. Along with it, this camera supports maximum storage of about 512 GB, so that's extended storage for a quad HD camera. You also get optional accessories such as the CPL filter and the hardware kit, of course, if you need the parking monitoring. So the VIOFO A229 Plus offers you a ultimate value for money prospect, considering this is a dual Starvis 2 setup. And one more advantage of this camera is that if you purchase the dual channel variant, you can always purchase an additional cabin camera later on, or you can straight up directly purchase a triple channel variant of the A229 Plus as well, which comes at a price of close to 29 to 30,000 rupees. Now even the interior or the cabin camera also gets a Starvis sensor, not the Starvis 2 but still a previous gen Starvis sensor, enhancing the video quality of even the interior camera. The cabin camera does shoot full HD resolution and also gets infrared lights to give you a proper visibility even during dark conditions. So if your budget cannot extend beyond 25,000 or beyond the 30,000 price bracket, the VIOFO A229 Plus dual or the triple channel variant offering you the goodness of dual Starvis 2 sensors, make sure that you remain future proof for a long time to come. That being said, if you can stretch your budget up by a bit to close to 35,000 or maybe even up to 40,000, you get probably the king of dash cameras that has remained the king for a long time to come until recently a new camera displaced its position. Well, I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Pro variant. Yes, this camera also comes in a dual and a triple channel variant. The dual channel coming at a price of close to 35,000 and the triple channel variant coming at a price of close to 40,000 rupees. Well, in the A229 Plus model, the front camera shoots a quad HD 1440p resolution, but in the A229 Pro variant, you get a front 4K resolution based on the Starvis 2 IMX678, with the rear camera still getting the Starvis 2 IMX675 shooting a quad HD resolution. All the rest of the features of the A229 Plus are carried over to the A229 Pro, along with the fact that in the A229 Pro you also get the CPL filter right in the box. You don't have to purchase it separately. So currently in the Indian market, the VIOFO A229 Plus dual channel, the A229 Plus triple channel, the A229 Pro dual channel, and the A229 Pro triple channel. These four cameras represent what best dash cams can offer, and if you have the budget for it, you should definitely get one of these cameras. That being said, moving on to the next or the fifth dash camera, which just currently unseated the VIOFO A229 Pro and grabbed the place as the king of dash cams. Again, moving back to VIOFO, it's the newly launched VIOFO A329, and the thing about this camera is that it's simply great. This camera can do what no other dashcam can. It can shoot 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Even the VIOFO A229 Pro can only shoot at 30 FPS. The A329 can shoot up to 60 FPS. And that's not the only unique feature about this camera. The VIOFO A329 also has an external SSD support and it can support storage up to 4 terabytes, not 1 TB, not 2 TB. It can store up to 4 TB, giving you weeks and months of storage probably. And of course, this camera also gets a HDMI out, which means you can connect this dash cam to your smart TV, your monitor, your car display, and stream the videos directly. It also gets a USB 3.0 port for fastest transfer of videos from the dash cam to your smartphone, along with giving you software updates via the cable transfer. This camera also gets first in the market Wi-Fi 6 feature. It also gets voice control, quad GPS, and all the advanced parking monitoring features which we have seen in the A229 Plus and the A229 Pro variants. The good thing about the A329 is that it also gets the CPL filter right in the box, just as in the A229 Pro. You don't have to purchase the front camera CPL separately, but in case if you do want, you can purchase the rear camera CPL as a separate accessory. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing any of these top 5 Dual Starvis 2 cameras, all the purchase links are provided in the description below. Just head down, click on the link, go ahead and buy your favorite dash camera, your favorite future-proof dash camera right now. So if you do have any queries or any doubts regarding any of these cameras, just DM me on my Facebook or the Instagram page. You can also write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and also don't forget to share this video whenever possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.